Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Logitech C310 HD webcam. On the front of the box, we can see an image of the product right in the middle. We have some Logitech branding on the bottom. Up here, we can see the model number. Underneath that, we can see the words HD video calls, as it can be used to make HD video calls. And over here, we can see the resolution and frame rate, which is 720p at 30 frames per second. On the right hand side of the box, we can see the C310 branding once again, and underneath that we have some branding that says flexible HD webcam that goes beyond built-in. Bring a whole new angle to video calling. On the bottom, we can see some illustrations about what is in the packaging. On the left hand side of the box, we can see the C310 branding once again, and on the bottom we can see that it is compatible with Chromebooks. Here we have the Swiss flag, and basically Logitech is a Swiss company established in 1981, as it says so right here. On the top of that, we can see that it works with Windows, Mac OS or Chrome OS and other popular calling platforms as well. There's nothing on the top. And on the bottom, we have some information regarding the warranty, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. This symbol on the top right shows us that it is BIS certified. On the back of the box, we have a sticker that shows the manufacturing and importing information. And on the bottom, we have the details for the customer care. Well, that's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside of the packaging, we have some illustrations on how it can be mounted onto a monitor or on top of a laptop screen. We also have the website for Logitech support. Inside the box, we find some literature in the form of some important safety, compliance and warranty information. It's in multiple languages. And we have the Logitech C310 HD web camera as well. We can see that the lens module itself is a little bit offset, and to the left, we can see the Logi branding on the right hand side. Right in the middle, we have a grill which should probably be the microphone, and on the left hand side we have an LED light that will glow when the camera is on. Underneath that, we have a hinge mechanism that basically rotates the webcam a little bit so it can be adjusted to point perfectly at you when you're sitting in front of the monitor or in front of the laptop. After that, we have the clipping mechanism. There are soft surfaces on the insides, so the monitor or the laptop will not get scratched up when you clip this onto it. It will also ensure that the webcam does not slide around thanks to its grippy nature. We also have the cable that has a USB Type A interface, and in terms of length, it is approximately 60 inches long. The cable also has a tag that shows the BIS conformity. On the other side, we have its manufacturing information, and we also have a QR code that would lead to the Logitech support website. So this has been the unboxing of the Logitech C310 HD webcam. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.